How to hide Instagram following and followers list. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and make sure that you have your account not on a professional mode. As you can see, the professional dashboard is available over here, which means I have a professional account. Now, if you want to hide the Instagram following and followers list, you need to have a personal account. So let's switch to personal account by tapping on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Scroll down over here, and here you can see the option of creative tools and controls, and scroll down. Here you can see the option of switch account type. So tap on switch to personal account. As you tap on to switch to personal account, now you can just go back. Let's refresh the page and you have switched it to personal account. Now, what you can do is simply tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner again, and then scroll down and tap on account privacy. As you do that, select on the option of private account and toggle it on. So this way you'll be able to have a private account and only your friends that you have added will be able to see your Instagram following and followers list, and other people would not. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.